Still on the Mbabane Swallows and Orapa affair, Orapa United have arrived in the kingdom to prepare for the second leg match of the CAF Confederations Cup against Mbabane Swallows. Swallows won the first leg tie 1-0 away in Botswana, which makes the second leg tie very interesting. The Vice President of the School Sports Association, Anthony Mdluli, says every Swazi child has a right to participate in school sporting courts, as this will help academically. Mdluli said this during a mass meeting of the executive members of the School Sports Association held at the Olympia Africa Center in Lobamba.
In a way of increasing the standard of sports in schools and developing different talents held by the school students, the Swaziland School Sports Association held the annual resolution meeting with its executive members and different branches, where on the agenda they discussed issues related to increasing the number of schools participating into school competitions. It was also a chance to also resolve the issue of some of the schools who are pulling out of the association. Speaking to Swazi TV Sports, the Vice President of the Swaziland School Sports Association, Anthony Mdluli, says every Swazi child has a right to be part of a sporting code, as this supports the child even academically.
Bantwana singabe sibakhetharisha bonke then level tawuphila uma ngabe kungaba njalo.
What we are emphasizing today is to make sure that kids in schools are involved in sports, because the same kids are the same we send to international competitions when it comes to school games, so the situation should be monitored at the early stages.
Mdluli also added that the sports association should assist them in identifying the students and their talents.
We are also making sure that all sports disciplines are found at schools. If the child cannot play soccer, let it be in his or her right to also choose rugby, tennis, netball, or even swimming.
For Swazi TV Sports, Fabrice Musonela, John Moleleken, Lobamba.